Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Identifying the optimal location for drilling a water well involves several key steps. Firstly, consult geological surveys to understand the underground water flow and soil composition in your area. Employing a professional hydrogeologist can offer insights into the best drilling spots and potential water quality. Additionally, consider local regulations and permits required for drilling, as these can impact the feasible locations. Finally, observe the land's topography and avoid areas prone to contamination, such as near septic tanks or chemical storage, to ensure the well's water remains clean and safe.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.